Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me, Jackie. Today I'm doing my aesthetic room tour, so let's jump right into the video. I'm starting off with these curtains and fur bench. The curtains were thrifted and the fur bench is from Amazon. The theme of my room is kind of an aesthetic plant vibe, and I felt these frames would fit perfect. I bought most of my plants at a local shop here in Columbus, Ohio. It's called Stump Plants. I carry skin script samples that I give to my clients. Next to the samples, I have my business cards, which I designed from vistaprint.com. Inside this bin, I store headbands and facial sponges. Second bin, facial towels. I have blankets and linens in here. Extra supplies in here. I've organized all my retail products on this shelf. I think it's super cute, super convenient. I have some of my facial equipment and essentials on this side. My LED light, SD Max, jelly mask, a thermometer. It was really humid that day. I have my dermabrasion machine hiding back here. Super cool because it has this spray gun. I have all my facial bowls in here. This bin, I just have my kits, strip rolls, and of course my distilled water for my steamer. I have all my essentials, all my supplies in this cart. All my waxing supplies, facials, lashes, everything. I'll be posting a separate video showing you in detail what's inside each of these drawers. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below. Bye!